Did you know that you could create a 3D animated kids video like this?
It was a bright and sunny morning when Roma and Diana, full of excitement, joined their classmates for a fun-filled school trip to the forest.
It almost looks like a Pixar animated movie, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a video like this using these AI tools. This step-by-step guide will take you from an idea to an animated video. By the end, you'll have your very own animated video that'll make your audience go, wow. This is Brian from Website Learners, and let's bring your imagination to reality. So to create an animation video, we're going to do 8 simple steps. The first step is to generate story ideas. Now, if you already have a story for your animation video, you can skip this step. However, if you need help coming up with ideas, we've created a tool to generate ideas for your animation. So to get the story ideas, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this page. Here we have put together a set of tools to create your entire animation story video. So let's go to Kids Story Ideas Generator. Here enter the theme of your story. I'm going to enter fantasy and click create content. As you can see, the tool has generated different ideas for your story. Just go through these ideas and choose the one you like. I'm going to choose this one. So let's copy it. So now we've got the story idea. Next, let's go to step 2, which is to create the complete story. Using this one-line story idea, we'll now generate a full detailed story for our animation video. To generate the full story, go to the story generator tool. Here paste the idea you copied, then enter the number of characters you want in the video and click create content. As you can see, GraphTrite has generated the entire story with a scene-by-scene breakdown. Now that we have the complete story with us, next, let's move on to the third step, which is to create the character details. In this step, we'll get the details of the characters like their costumes, facial features, and hairstyles. This will help us create the characters that look consistent throughout the video. So to get the character description based on your story, copy the generated story, then go to this character generator tool, paste the story you copied and click create content. You can see that this tool has analyzed the characters and given us detailed descriptions such as their facial structure, hairstyle, body type, skin tone, and even the outfit. Okay, now that we've successfully created the character details for our story, let's go to the fourth step, which is to generate the visual prompts for our story. We're going to use these prompts to generate the final video using AI. So to generate the prompts, go to this text to video prompt generator tool, paste the story you copied earlier. Then here we need to paste the character descriptions we generated. So let's copy the character description and paste it here and click save and continue. Now you can generate the video prompt by clicking create content. As you can see, we've got the prompts for each shot of our story. And we'll use this to create the visuals for our animation. Pretty good, right? And that's it. We have successfully created the visual prompts we need for our animation. But we are not done just yet. To start creating the video, we also need the voiceover script for the narration which we saw here.
It was a bright and sunny morning when Roma and Diana, full of excitement, joined their classmates for a fun-filled school trip to the forest.
As you can see, this tool also gives the option to generate the script for the audio. Just click create content and we've got the voiceover script in some format. This format helps to split the character dialogue separately, making it easier to generate the voices and edit the video. To split the character dialogues, just click this link. Now let's go back to this tab, copy the JSON format and paste it here. Then click separate characters voiceover and there you go. The tool has generated the voiceover script for each character. So now we have everything to start creating our video. Next, let's go to step 5, which is to generate the visuals for the story. This is where we bring our scenes to life. So now we're going to use the video generation tool to turn all those prompts into 3D animated visuals. To get the visuals, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this tool. Click try now. Now copy the prompt you got from GravityWrite, paste it here, and also make sure you turn off the auto refine feature as it could adjust the prompt and change the characters we've set up for the story. And click here. As you can see, the video is being generated. Okay, now our video is ready, so let's have a look. Wow, this looks amazing, right? I'm really impressed with the animations. To download this video, just click here and it'll be downloaded to your computer. And in the same way, you can create the visuals for all the other scenes. Keep in mind that this tool provides 1000 free credits when you sign up and you will receive extra 100 credits every day as a bonus when you log in. However, do keep in mind that these free credits will expire 3 days from the moment you sign up. So be sure to use them before they run out. Now that we've successfully created the visuals, next we need the voiceover for the story. So let's go to step 6, which is to generate the voiceover for the script. To get the voiceover, we are going to use an AI generation tool. So just click the link in the description and it will take you to this tool. Now click get started for free and sign up using your Google account. Once you're signed in, now to select the voice for your video, just go here and search for the voice you want. Since we are creating a cartoon video, let's search for toon character voices. And here you'll find voices specifically designed for cartoon style videos.
Ladies and gentlemen, explorers and adventurers.
Now to select any voice you like, click on it and click add my voices. Then here paste the script you got from GravityWrite. So let's go to GravityWrite. Copy the voiceover script for the first character and paste it here. Now click generate speech and the voice will be generated. It?
It was a bright and sunny morning when Roma and Diana, full of excitement,
Sounds great, right? You can now download the voice by clicking here and it will be downloaded to your computer. In the same way, you can generate the voice for all the other characters. Okay, once we have generated the voiceover for the script, let's go to step 7, which is to edit the video. This is an important step where we'll bring everything together, combining the visuals and the voiceover to create the final animation video. To do that, we're going to use an online editing tool. So just click the link in the description and it will take you to this tool called Clipchamp. Now click try for free. Once you're on this page, click create a new video. Now click import media and upload all the visuals and the voiceovers that you have generated and it will be added here. Now just drag and drop the visuals to the timeline and arrange them scene by scene according to your story. Next, let's add the voiceover to the video. Just drag and drop the voice to the timeline, then match each scene with the correct character voices and align them with the visuals. Once you're done, you can play the video and see how it looks.
it was a bright and sunny morning when Roma and Diana, full of excitement, joined their classmates for a fun-filled school trip to the forest.
Now to make the video even better, you can also add sound effects and background music. To get the music, we are going to use a website called Pixabay, which is free and has many great options. So let's go to Pixabay, go to the music section, search for cartoon and select background music. Now you'll get a list of background music. Select the one you like and download it by clicking here. Now if you want to add sound effects, just go here and select sound effects. Choose the one you like and download it. And once you've downloaded the music, let's head back to Clipchamp, click import media, upload the music you downloaded and add it to your video however you want. Okay, let's see how the video looks right now.
It was a bright and sunny morning when Roma and Diana, full of excitement, joined their classmates for a fun-filled school trip to the forest.
Well, the music really enhances the overall feel of the video. And we have successfully edited the animation video. Once you've edited the animated video, let's go to the final step, which is to export and download the video. To do that, click export, select the video quality you want. Now the tool will start processing the video and it will be downloaded to your computer. So let's see how the final video looks.
It was a bright and sunny morning when Roma and Diana, full of excitement, joined their classmates for a fun-filled school trip to the forest. But as soon as Roma and Diana stepped off the bus, they were really excited to see the forest. They had rushed to the forest before their friend's arrival. They both stopped for a moment and decided to take the left pathway, which seems to be narrow. But before she could finish, Roma was already running down the path, and Diana couldn't help but follow. The pathway was enchanting, lined with glowing flowers that illuminated their way. While happily playing in the forest, they suddenly realized they were lost.
I think we're lost. Maybe we should turn back?
Suddenly, a cute monster approached them. Both Roma and Diana were shocked to see the monster talking.
Don't worry, little humans. I have a magical crystal in my cave that can create portals to anywhere. I'll take you there, and then you can join back with your friends.
The monster led Roma and Diana to its mystical cave.
This is a magical crystal that can create a portal to...
With the help of the magical crystal, that monster created a shimmering portal that could teleport them back to their friends. They traveled through the portal, which led them to where their friends were.
Look over here, kids. There are your friends. Now you can go and join them.
Finally, Roma and Diana said goodbye to the cute monster, thanking it warmly for all its help and kindness. With smiles on their faces and hearts full of joy, they happily returned to their friends.
Well, the video has turned out great and I'm pretty sure the kids will definitely love it. So that's it, guys. This is how you can create kids cartoon animation video for free. Before you go, make sure you check out Gravity for all your content creation needs and WebSpace Kit to build your perfect website without any hassle. The links are in the description below. I hope you like this video, so make sure you subscribe to Website Learners to see more cool videos like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.